In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook watch history. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to Facebook and then go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you're here, you need to head into your settings. So go into settings, which is going to be in the top right. Now from here, you want to then scroll down. And if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see your activity. Here you can click on activity log and you'll then have like 4 or 5 different options. You want to go to your activity across Facebook, which should be the first one. And here you can see your posts. So go ahead and click on manage posts. And what you can do from here is you can actually filter through the videos you've interacted or watched. So you can see here by default, it's going to show me my videos. Now, if we go ahead and filter and go to categories, you can just see here, look. So you've got videos you've watched, live videos you've watched. It's this one here, videos you've watched. So I'm going to click on that. It's then going to show me all of the different videos that I've watched. And if I want to delete any of this watch history, all I have to do is go ahead and click on the 3 dots next to the video, then click delete. And that's me essentially deleting that watched video. So that's how you can do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.